Yeah, so I'm in the middle of a job, but I just figured y'all had to see these. So these things are pretty dope. If you got some RGB strips and you just need to connect them, but you don't want to solder and you don't really want to cut too many wires, get you one of these. So I put a link in the description for it. But basically, you just put your wires right in this end, and no stripping the wires or anything. You clamp it down, get you some pliers, clamp it down real tight. These little, will it focus? There we go, almost. So yeah, the little teeth in there will bite through the wire and grip to the actual metal in the wire. So that's all you need for that. And then these little things is some spikes inside of here. There we go. So some spikes in there. So all you do is put this little end of the RGBs. You just slide this in here. You don't have to strip the silicone off or anything. Strip the silicone at the end. You just slide it in. You take the glue back and the 3M backing. You take that off of the very end. So you see a little line right there. That's why I got that off too. But once you slide the LED strip in, you clamp this down just like you did on the wire side. The spikes go through the bottom and into the little metal contacts, which are on the end. So yeah, that little section. But the little spikes will go through that and it'll give you power. So just for a quick little test, I got this set up. I don't have it set up with a remote yet because I'm still working on something. But check it out.